In this series of 8 videos, I'm answering the 8 most frequently asked questions which go through beginners' mind when they start to be interested with acupressure, when they're wondering if that can help them in any kind of way, and when they still know nothing or almost nothing about it. Quick definition for acupressure is pressure that you apply with your fingers, with your hands, on the energy points of the body. So the first question is, what is an energy point? An energy point is a very special place located on the skin of the body, more often in the bottom of a small hole, small hollow, sometimes wider, but most often a small one. And when you touch this special point, you have a direct access to the flow of vital energy inside your body. It means that with the touch, you are becoming able to have an influence on that flow, to help it regulate itself, to help it improve difficulties you can have, whether they are on a physical level or emotional or psychological, mental level. Most of those points, there are many, several hundreds on the whole body, most of those points are situated on meridian, which is a meridian like a path, where the energy flows inside the body and express itself in different ways through different functions, so that it allows the body to operate in the best way possible for yourself. When I say body, it means all level of the organism, the body, the mind, the spirit. Most of the points are situated on meridian, some of them out of the general network of the meridian. But anyway, for acupressure, the most important is really to not to know so much, but to feel and experience what happens in your body, inside you, in your mind, what kind of feelings you get from touching the acupressure, the energy point.